Adaptations of the ileum. Today, we want to discuss the adaptations of the ileum. The small intestine is made up of two parts. The first part of the small intestine is the duodenum. The duodenum is the first part of the small intestine. The second part of the small intestine is the ileum. The ileum. How is the ileum adapted to its functions? What does it have that enables it to function or to work efficiently? And the following are the adaptations or factors that adapt the ileum to its functions. 1. The ileum is long. 2. It is highly coiled. It is highly coiled. Number 3, it is thin. Number 4, it is narrow. Number 5, it is highly vascularized, or it has a network of blood capillaries. It has the villus, which produces the intestinal enzymes. Let us now discuss these factors at length. Why is the small intestine highly coiled? It is highly coiled so as to reduce or to slow down the movement of the chyle or food so that it can maximize time for the absorption of food. So the ileum is highly coiled to reduce the speed of the flow of food. This reduction in the speed of the flow, or the speed at which the food or the chyle moves, creates enough time, provides enough time for absorption. Number 2, the ileum is long. It is very long, about 6 to 7 meters or 600 to 700 centimeters. Indeed, it is long. What is the significance of the length of the ileum? The ileum is long so that it can provide or create or increase the surface area upon which absorption of food takes place. So the ileum is long to increase or to provide a large surface area for the absorption of food. Number 3, the ileum has a network of blood capillaries. The ileum is highly vascularized. Why is it highly vascularized? The ileum is highly vascularized in order to maintain a steep diffusion gradient for the absorption of food, so that food can be absorbed into the bloodstream efficiently. The ileum is thin. Why is it thin? The thinness of the ileum reduces the distance over which food diffuses, or over which food diffuse into the bloodstream. So therefore, it increases the absorption of food. So the ileum is thin in order to increase or to make the absorption of food to take place faster. It is narrow. Why is it narrow? The ileum is narrow in order to bring food into closer contact with its walls. This one ensures that absorption of the very food occurs efficiently or faster. The ileum, the walls of the ileum has the villus, V-I-L-L-U-S or V-I-L-L-U-S, villus, that is plural. Villi, V-I-L-L-I, villi, plural. The villi or the villus contain the crypt of Liebenkan. The crypt of Liebenkan is tasked with the production or the secretion of the intestinal juice, not the German juice, not Del Monte, the intestinal juice, succus enterucus, or the succus entericus. What are the components of this juice? What does this juice contain? It is a cocktail of what and what and what. The intestinal juice has the following digestive enzymes. 1. Maltase enzyme. 2. Sucrase enzyme. 3. Peptidase enzyme. And 4. Lipase enzyme. What are the roles of these digestive enzymes? These enzymes complete the process of digestion in the ileum. For instance, maltase enzyme speeds up the breakdown or the conversion of maltose into glucose. Sucrase enzyme speeds up or completes the breakdown of sucrose into fructose and glucose. Lipase enzyme completes or speeds up the breakdown or the digestion of lipids into fatty acids and glycerol. Peptidase enzyme completes or speeds up the breakdown or the digestion of proteins into peptides. Dear viewer, those are just but some of the features or factors that adapt the ileum to its functions. 1, that it is long. 2, that it is highly coiled. 3, that it is highly vascularized or has a network of blood capillaries. 4, or is it 3? 4, that it is thin. 5, it is narrow. And 7 or 6, that the ileum has the villi which contain the intestine or produces the intestinal juice, succus or succus entericus. Until next time, good afternoon. good evening, good morning.